All right, friends, today for phonics, we're going to be learning about something called syllables. I'm sure you've heard this word before. Syllables refers to the sounds or parts of a word that we hear. So let's look at the word hat. Here's the word hat. If we say the word hat or clap the syllables or sounds that we hear, let's see how many sounds it is. Hat. I only hear one syllable. Let's look at another word. Mother. When we clap this word to figure out how many syllables, let's see how many sounds we hear. Mother. I hear two sounds. Mother. So these words have different amounts of syllables or sounds or parts that we hear. So what we're going to do today is say all of these words. We're going to go through them and clap them, see how many syllables or sounds that we hear, and we're going to sort them. So hat only had one syllable or one sound. Mother had two. Mother. So we're going to put it over here under two syllables. And we're going to sort the rest of these words. So let's do it together. This is the word fish. Fish. I only hear fish. One sound. So I'm going to put it under one syllable. Let's look at this word. This is the word finish. 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 I hear two syllables or two sounds. So I'm going to move it over here under the two. This is the word pled. Let's clap it and see how many sounds we hear. Pled. I only hear one syllable or one sound, so we'll move it over here. Let's look at this word. Basket. Basket. I hear two sounds, two syllables, so we're going to put it under the two. This is the word thick. Let's clap it and see how many. Thick. I only hear one solid sound, so we're going to put it under one syllable. Here's the word garden. Let's clap it. Garden. I hear two sounds or two syllables, so I'm going to put it under two. Here is the word shower. Shower. Let's clap it. Shower. I hear two syllables, so I'm going to put it under the two. Here's the word ship. Ship. I only hear one sound, one part. Here is the word absent. Absent. Let's clap it. Absent. So we're going to put it under the two syllables. I want you guys to think for a minute. This is the word picnic. Where is the word picnic going to go? Under one syllable or two? If you said two syllables, you are correct. Picnic. We're going to put it under the two. Here's the word boat. Think for a minute. Where would you put the word boat? Under one syllable or two? If you said one syllable, you are correct. Boat. One syllable. And here is the word bread. Think for a minute. Where would you put the word bread? Bread. I only hear one sound, so we're going to put it under there. All right, friends. So today for your assignment, you guys are going to be looking at a word, saying it out loud, and determining how many syllables you hear in that word.